Hey guys, in this video we are going to review the Eufy RoboVac G10 Hybrid Robot Vacuum Cleaner. If you want more information, please start the video. Features: advanced room mapping and navigation. A significant feature of the new G10 Hybrid is its advanced gyro navigation technology. The G10 provides greater efficiency through smarter room mapping and course direction. Without sacrificing suction power, this unit can complete a routine in half the time with its unique navigation, resulting in less time underfoot. Designed to work across your entire house, the Eufy RoboVac G10 moves seamlessly through different rooms and floor surfaces. Durable and protected. With unique drop sensing safety measures, your Eufy can continue to run without fear of a fall over an edge, no monitoring required. A scratch-proof tempered glass cover protects the vacuum from any obstacle or pet damage, allowing it to continue undisturbed and off your mind. Dual clean operation. Specialized to deep clean hard floors, the G10 Hybrid promises a cleaner surface with its 2-in-1 sweep and mop capabilities. Laminate, tile, hardwood, all hard floor types are covered by the expert functionality. A 3-point cleaning system provides a thorough sweep and vacuum through powerful suction, a main rolling brush, and catch-all side brushes. A built-in water tank and removable mop pad follow to ensure your floors stay debris-free and sparkling with every pass. Accessible controls. This Eufy RoboVac offers complete accessibility across a suite of apps. A handy Eufy Home app is providing real-time cleaning and maintenance updates right to your phone or tablet. You'll always know right away when your vacuum needs a filter change to keep it running at peak performance. The Eufy G10 also syncs to any Google or Amazon Home devices, recognizing voice prompts and integrating smoothly into your current smart home system. Strong and quiet. Providing over 2,000 pascals of suction power, the Eufy G10 carries a strength that belies its slight size. Efficient in living rooms and kitchens alike, all major debris is removed without strain, leaving your floors dirt and crumb-free.